Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button, then click the push notification button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my glued install. I said glued. I don't usually do glue, but in today's video, that's just what we're gonna give. So this video is gonna be sponsored by UNice Hair. They sent me their transparent lace frontal wig unit, 13x4, and it is in 24 inches. So it goes all the way down here, honey. I am 5'1", so 24 inches is super duper long on me, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. I love it so much. If you'd like to purchase off rip, which I would definitely recommend, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. It is so sleek and shiny, and I cannot wait to show you all what I did. So if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much to UNice for sponsoring this video, and without further ado, let's jump into the install portion. Before I get started, I'm going to just start by removing the lace with my handy dandy beauty supply razor. I got this from the beauty supply and it was about $1. But anyways, when I'm cutting, I'm gonna just cut in a slightly zigzag motion. And I'm not cutting where the knots are. I'm trying to cut like 1 to 2 millimeters away from the knots. Right now the wig isn't even like glued down or anything. Usually I don't do glue, I do glueless, but in today's video we're gonna do glue, but it's not glued down yet, and that's what we're gonna do. That's the first step of this video. You just want to make sure that the forehead space is okay enough for you. You also want to just make sure that everything is lining up perfect, your part is where it's supposed to be, and that, you know, you're all plucked up and you look good. So right now I'm gonna just use this mirror that I have to just go in and look, make sure that everything is up to par with how I usually like it. And because it is, I'm gonna just get into the gluing portion. We'll be using Got to Be Glued in this bottle. This is the original one, and now it's just time to apply the wig. So how I apply my unit is I will just go in and literally right in front of the lace use my comb to make an indentation of where I want the lace to be. So I'm gonna just continue doing that all around the lace, and then once I'm done, I'm going to start with the gluing. You're gonna just go ahead, lift your lace up, your wig, and pull it back onto the wig cap if you have one on. Then we're gonna just start laying or glue. Once you have it down, you could just take a piece of metal. So that's why I always use a rat tail comb, so I could use the end of the comb to just press in the lace. So that's just what we're doing right now, making sure that the lace is nice and secured and on this glue. Okay, honey? So I do my baby hairs with got to be glue gel and a toothbrush. We have a new toothbrush because I just did a little re-up, and honestly this was one of my toothbrushes for my edges that I had in my purse, along with my miniature got to be glue gel, because ladies, listen, you just have to be prepared, stay prepared, and like we just don't have the time for any slip-ups on the road. So this was what was in my purse and I decided to bring it on out. So I get like that much of got to be glue gel, like a dime size. Pull it forward a bit so I can see where I want the hairs to be, and I'm gonna just do 2 of them right here. So just taking out the hairs, really easy, really simple. Okay, so I like that piece or that side. I like this piece or this side. So now that we have the 2 pieces on each side that we're gonna use, just pull the hairs back, and now it's time to start making the baby hairs. I'm gonna just shave it down with our razor. And once we've shaved them down, it's time to dip in some more gel and just start swooping. Seeing that we've done both sides, it's now time to seal it in, set it. It's not gonna go anywhere once you do this with your blow dryer on cool. So we're gonna just switch this to cool air, which is up here. I don't think I want any hairs in the middle. I feel like it's cute as is. I just need to do the hairs on the sides. So I'm gonna just speed this up and just keep on watching. So I've successfully done this side and I love it so much. I'm gonna just do this side off camera, which is just 2 swoops, and I'll be back. These are the edges. Look how this lace is giving what it's supposed to give. I am in love. This lace is 13 by 4, but like I don't know what's going on. It's giving 13 by 5, even though there's no such thing. It just means that their 13 by 4 lace is longer than the usual 13 by 4, and I love that so much for the kid. UNice just gives it all to you, honey. So right now I'm gonna just go in and straighten the rest of this wig. Even though it's a body wave wig, I washed it and I blow dried it because I knew I wanted to straighten it, and I will probably wash it again while it's still in an install on my head and curl it, sorry, because I want to see how it curls too. But for now we just straightening, so I'm gonna just like push y'all back a little bit more so you can see like the wig in its full entirety. So this product is called Reza. It's from Sally's. Sally's carries this product, and it's pretty much just oil, like a straightening oil, and I love it so much. You just need about 2 pumps on each side of your hair, so you just, you know, get it warmed up a bit and you just run it through. It smells so good. If you're into like beeswax scents and honey scents, this will be the product for you. So that is it for this video. This is the finished look of the wig and I am totally in love. Like I said before, I did straighten the back earlier just so I wouldn't have so much work to do, seeing that I did the whole install on camera. So this is the end result. I am so in love. This transparent lace is giving what it's supposed to give. UNice, you did your thing. So if you would like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box to do so, as well as a whole bunch of other UNice wigs and all that stuff is in the description box. It is on their website. Definitely go check UNice out. It is one of my favorite companies. They have one of my favorite body wave wigs and I'm so in love. I know once I wash and curl this and show y'all on my Instagram, which is at She's Your Fave, y'all are gonna see it and love it and ask, what hair is this? So this is from UNice and I cannot wait to curl and show you guys how gorgeous it is. It's already so pretty. So thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you so much. Big shout out to UNice for sending this lovely 13x4 body wave transparent lace wig. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one.